Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on our series with Beautiful Soup. So one of the thoughts that came out, suggestion, is scraping Yahoo News for headlines. Well, there's some things we need to know before we can even begin to do that. So we're going to look at that today. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. And if you are interested in this, you need to know these two tools and skills before you can even begin, because I'm going to show you how to do Yahoo News, but you also need to understand how to do that for everything. You just can't say, hey, scrape. As we've learned with our HTML, there's code that has in the background. So there's two ways for you to look at this. You can, one, view page source, which will then break out its own tab, and it has all of the HTML. But right now, you don't know what you're grabbing and what you're seeing. So a second variation of is inspect. So here we go. So you can go and break this down and see where you, okay, so I'm here in this div, and as I go through, all right, so it's this div, and I'm still here, so it's inside this one, all right, okay, it's inside here. As you can see, we're narrowing down, and as long as, so here we go. As I'm coming through here, as I have my information. So now here we are, and then now we're getting closer and closer and closer, because what we want to actually do is to find out what in the world is this H3. So now I now know that the headlines for Yahoo News is an H3 tag. This is going to be very helpful for how we're going to then break this out. But these two skills are very important before we can do anything and understand how the website that you're interested in going to see works. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. We'll build upon this, but these topics can be very overwhelming. So the more overwhelming, almost the shorter the video. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.